These blackened chicken tenders are so easy and flavorful, and they can be added to so many dishes like pastas, tacos, salads, and more. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making simple blackened chicken tenders. Keep this recipe on standby each week and use the chicken in your favorite meals. Let's get started by making the blackening seasoning. Blackening is a cooking method in which chicken or fish is brushed with fat and then coated liberally with a specific blend of spices, then seared over high heat to create a crust. Although the crust has a deep color, I promise it's not burnt. It should taste bold, but not too spicy. The blackening seasoning includes 2 teaspoons each of smoked paprika, cumin, and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano, onion powder, salt, and a half a teaspoon each of pepper and cayenne pepper. You can add more or less cayenne pepper to adjust the spice level. These should be spices you typically have on hand in your spice cabinet, and once you buy them once, you can make this over and over. Whisk all of those spices together in a shallow bowl or dish, then pat the chicken tenders dry and brush each with melted butter or avocado oil. Dip each tender into the seasoning and push them down to create a thick, even coat across the chicken. Flip it over and gently coat the other side. Next, heat a large, heavy-bottom skillet or a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and brush it lightly with the same butter or oil you used to coat the chicken. You'll know the pan is hot enough when a drop of water sizzles on the surface. Place the chicken tenders with the thickest seasoning side down on the hot skillet. Allow them to cook over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes without moving to create a blackened crust. Flip the chicken over, turn the heat down to medium, and cover the pan with a lid. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're done, transfer them to a plate to cool slightly before serving. The chicken should be perfectly cooked and coated in a crust of flavor. Eat the tenders on their own with rice and veggies, or top on Alfredo pasta or a Cobb salad. The dinner options are endless when you make these blackened chicken tenders. I love giving you guys options to take a regular Tuesday night dinner and make it something exciting. And I know that these blackened chicken tenders will do that for you. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you love this recipe. If you do, drop a comment and let me know what you think. If you want to keep cooking with me, check out these healthy chicken enchiladas.